Okay, here I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on a 2018 X5 F15 platform. Pretty much any F series with the you got the odometer reset button in the bottom left. So turn the car on. Don't start it. Just leave your foot off the brake. What you do is you want to clear any messages you have with the BC button, and then you hold the button on the cluster. Just hold it till the service menu comes up. Let go, press it, let go, press and hold, and it's going to reset. If you have multiple items, you can just scroll through with the button, press and hold, let go, press and hold, and it resets. This one's pretty easy. The newer ones are a little bit more complicated, but this one's easy. Like I said, for F10, F15, F25, this is very similar to this.